Good morning, welcome to the next documentary that I'm doing today. I'm your host, Simon Paul.
We are sorry that the 0731 service to Rugeley Trent Valley is delayed by approximately 6 minutes. We are sorry for the delay to your journey.
Apparently they apologise that I'm Simon Paul. But though we're here at Rugeley Town, we're going to London today. This was the trip that I was about on the last one. That we were going to get free Steam tours today, but they cancelled Cloud 9 because they wanted to. They cancelled Tangmere tour to Eastbourne.
Eastbourne, yeah.
Only because of the Fire Brigade Strike, so they moved it to tomorrow. That's not helpful for me because I'm at work tomorrow. And there was 2 Black 5s running from Horsham to Ely, but that's been changed attraction to diesel now. But we're still going to get that tour. We're going to get the consolation prize today. West Brompton, are we?
Why do I hear a shed?
Because there's a coal train coming through, and I can just see it through the window there.
Okay.
But anyway, we're going down to London. We're going to do West Brompton, then we're going to do stations on the East London Line extension, Brockley and all that. Hopefully we should not stop at Whitton today like we did on the last London trip we did. Hopefully there's no drugs on that train. That's going to happen regardless. And we're going down the Trent Valley.
The new winter timetable will commence.
Cheap advert. If you don't know already, the winter timetables are going to be out by the time this documentary is being uploaded. We should go down to London. We're going to do them stations like I said, and hopefully everything goes to plan today. If not, then people will start hearing from me with refunds. Well, only for trains like half an hour late. But hopefully there should be no problems today. We should go down there and enjoy ourselves. So hopefully enjoy this documentary and hope you like it.
My name is Simon Paul.
I'm just a regular guy with a hobby, with a passion for trains. And also enjoy travelling by train. And if anyone thinks I do these videos to make myself famous, well, I'm afraid I've got some bad news. I do these for fun. So sit back, enjoy the ticket, and enjoy my railway journey.
There's someone running over. They'll just make it. Oh look, it's perennial Shrewsbury hanging around at 175.09. Train's cancelled. Joking. I've got to make my own music to them somehow.
As you can see, we're just arriving to Trent Valley now.
Yeah, just arrived. It's
our train's on time at the moment.
It is.
At the moment.
It was there.
as this 350 gets out of the way, which is just arrived, you'll see that our turbo stars that we catch through Rugeley Trent Valley are just leaving. The first one is 175.12, and the second one is 175.09. That's going to Birmingham now, running a bit late. But they come back up here to do the 941 out, and then they come back. Then they go to Birmingham, then they go to Shrewsbury after that. So that's the last OT done for the day. You can see how bad our connection is. That 350 just arrived into the station as that just pulled out. As soon as that 350 touched that gate there, he was ready to leave that turbo star. Mind you, he was running a bit late, so he couldn't help him. And there goes our 350, that's going to crew on the 743. Just waiting for our train now. 350 121.
Whereas next week it'll have 8 carriages. And you don't get a seat on that unless you're unlucky. So I'll have 2 first classes, won't it? You've got it. I wonder if there's a unit in front of ours. West Brompton.
Platform 17 on the Rugeley Line 49.
My escalator's faster.
Now the Victoria Line. Well, go to the Victoria Line, but rather than the Underground. Cheats it.
Ladies and gentlemen, between the hours of approximately 06:14 and 11:15 on Monday to Fridays, for Edgware train to platform 1.
Change here, please. This train terminates here at Victoria. All change, all change. Thank you.
Hello again. Way out that way.
Well, we've got to follow the signs that way.
Health District.
West Brompton Alphas. There, up there.
Yeah, where's that?
Just nearest the back, really.
West Brompton.
Service to Clapham Junction.
Now how do we get to the Jubilee?
This way. Westminster. I've seen now at Westminster, Jubliee Line, and these platform edge doors.
Perfect, that is.
This station is Westminster.
And so these are PD platform edge doors. It's got to go on. Well, the PEDs were installed part of the Jubilee Line extension, and also will be used on Crossrail when it's built. A little bit between Paddington and Liverpool Street. Anyway, we're at kind of water's going to change from the London Overground. Like it says there. Oh, that's easy. I thought it was going to be like a 20-minute walk.
London Overground, service to Crystal Palace, calling at Honor Oak Park, Forest Hill, Sydenham and Crystal Palace. Approaching platform 2 is... next train to arrive at platform 2 is the 12:24 London Overground service to Crystal Palace,
We have theories on what it might be. Train 378154.
The gap between the train and the platform.
We do a station I will show you before. Other Park now. We'll go to Farringdon because it's just too cold today. We were going to the other stations down there like Halloween, Fife Hill, Sydenham, but unfortunately due to the weather we just decided to call it quits. So go to Farringdon, we'll get the 387s again, hopefully, and we're just going to make it up down from there. But hopefully we should have a good idea what we're doing. But we are going to do Whitechapel now, go on the Hammersmith City to Farringdon that way.
I haven't told you yet, we're going bus fetching.
Ding! I think we go down that gangway there, do we?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, isn't this the place with the famous arch, Whitechapel?
Don't know.
Which way do we go? Not that way, that's for sure.
Overground though.
That way, is it?
Yeah.
Why did the Farringdon on here? Because we're not going in this side, are we?
I'm just going to jump on this Hammersmith City now.
Please mind,
Rail services.
please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
But the LSS stock's got some good rates. 419 and 420. doing the bottom level.
Once again, please mind the gap between the train and the edge of the platform. Mind the gap, please. Mind the gap.
The Northern and Jubilee lines. Please check you have all your personal belongings with you when leaving the train and keep them with you at all times whilst on the station. If you see anything suspicious, please report it to a member of staff or the police. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
From the 20th of December, this train will no longer call at London Bridge. Visit thameslinkprogram.co.uk for more information.
Not a bad road. We're just now approaching LBG, London Bridge. London Bridge. As you see here, London Bridge, and it's to do 378s. The 387. As you can see.
This is 380105, it's its second day in service. We're just going to get it even now.
Monument Station. Waterloo Bridge, South Bank.
That's a fail.
This bus terminates here. Please take all your belongings with you.
Right now then.
I think you still want to go to Victoria, yeah?
If you want to, yeah. Sorry, this guy thought to get the bus and it took about how long? 40 minutes.
Nina points out that traffic played a part.
This is why I never catch a bus during rush hour.
Yes, it is. This is why I do all my bus stuff at night.
Alright.
And then go across here.
Oh, we're going across here?
Yeah.
Alright, so... What?
I'm missing.
After getting the bus into Waterloo from London Bridge, we are now going to Victoria on the bus. It's his idea, really. the 251. Oh.
Harmony! And the hybrid I want the photo of is still here.
Get a photo then, quick.
Yeah, that's going to be a bit of a problem.
Why? Welcome to Rush Hour Victoria.
Oh, this is going to be fun. Rush Hour at Victoria.
Toothbrush fun. Right. Let's hold up down there. We just had a bit of time in Victoria. We've just went to
Everything that also looks like that silver bus there is welcome.
What about Silver Postmaster?
Well, in a short word, yes I do.
Where is it?
Well, if you can believe it or not, it's actually behind the queue of Forest Masters.
Come on then.
Go around the back of it.
As I say, we went to Victoria to do some footing. I used to walk away with a few. And then we're going to get a bus back to Euston. Voice Master. Wow.
There it is. Look at that beauty. Ah, the driver's still upstairs. I've got a picture of it.
Rugeley Gardens.
Oui, parce que toi t'es grand, t'es plus grand. On va prendre que deux plus. Ils sont pas ici. Tu vois?
Station.
So this is where we get off here.
This bus terminates here. Please take all your belongings with you. This bus terminates here.
That was the 2 from Victoria to So we're not even getting close to stuff, we're just changing buses, are we?
What, sorry?
We're changing buses.
Yes. And we go to where we go to catch this next bus?
Just across the street?
Just across the street over there.
Here's a joke for you, why have you decided to cross the street to get a bus? Yeah, it's all his idea we're doing these buses.
It's not, really isn't.
It is.
It really isn't.
So we spend less time talking and we can actually cross this road.
We've really come here to bash the Chiltern.
Looks like it's tough.
Don't think you'd hear me say here's a hybrid.
You see there's that side says Great Central Street. We're all the way back to Euston. After the bus bashing, we've decided to go back to Euston. Here we are for our train anyway, so that's a good sign. See how our train's doing at what platform?
That'll be the one we're stuck behind, predictably, won't it?
Yeah, that's the one we always stuck behind the commentary. Oh yeah. What?
Are we on Rudolph patrol here?
We just found out we got back to Euston. There was a test train here and we bloody missed it. That's 6701 Fire. I don't know what the first one was. It's 27. Damn it.
The morning of this
You won't watch this
So yes. What was I going to say with our trade? He bought the crowbar. Let's see how the issues do treats us. Well, for a start, it's 2112. We'll say 2113 when we start. Let's just go for it and see what happens. Yeah, go for it and see what happens. I know exactly what will happen.
The train platform 7 is the Virgin Trains service to Preston, calling at Sunderland Dudley, Wolverhampton, Stafford, Crewe, Warwick and Key, Whitney Preston and Preston. These trains will are 9 coaches. First class accommodation is available on train platform 7 for the 21:15 trains inevitably for the 21
They're going to walk down. Yeah. Anyway, just get your turbo stop 21 to 17 to Rugeley Trent Valley. Let's just hope it's not rammed. Otherwise we'll be stuck here for an hour. No, it's alright.
The train at platform 3 and B2B 21 17.
Yep.
Good job you made that, this train, eh?
Arriving at Rugeley Town.
Is it an idea that involves, my God, include the Euston start? Unfortunately we can't end it here because some chaps decided to take the spot that I was going to film. Got nothing to do with their time, so we're actually going to leave the station, I'm going to go home, I'm going to finish all this up at home. We're now back at, well, basically where I live. I'm not telling you where I live. We have a good time in London. We went on the trains. We were forced onto the buses. But first of all, we went from Rugeley Town to Trent Valley. That went okay. Then down to London Euston. That was okay too. Then we went on the Victoria Line to Victoria, which surprisingly our train, our 2009 stock terminated there. They went on the District Line from Victoria to Earl's Court. They caught a connection to West Brompton that way. There was delays at West Brompton. Well, there was actually delays on the District Line to Wimbledon that day. So some were running a bit late. But we got a couple of 387s out. No. See, 378s and 387s, you get that confusing a bit. I meant 387s. So 387s go towards Brighton on the West London line. We got M47 746 as well, which was supposed to be the 2 Black 5s that day, but due to the Fire Brigade Strike, it had to be 47. And surprisingly, we got the RHCT of Class 73s, which was going to be, well, last London I was going to get that, but unfortunately they didn't show up or they weren't running. So that was an added bonus. They went over to Westminster and caught a connection there to Canada Water. And they did some stations on the East London Line extension, Brockley and then Olive Oak Park. It was a bit too cold, so we had to go back to Farringdon to warm ourselves up a bit. It was underground, so it was a bit warmer than it was at them 2 stations. Went on the Class 387s to London Bridge. I do say 378s in the thing, and like I said, 7887, it's just a bit, you just build them up a bit. Then after we got to London Bridge, unfortunately I was dragged onto buses because there was no plan at all, no plan at all. But at least it was warm, so that was the only bonus. We had a quick look in Victoria for some units, which I did get. Then we went back. Then we went to Marylebone by bus, and then Euston by bus. And we got the 1943 to Birmingham, and then we got our train back to Rugeley Town that way. Like I said, I couldn't end this at Rugeley Town because there was some chavs. I will use that word, not people, chavs, just hanging around in the shelter at the stop, doing nothing better with their time. And that's basically it. So it was a good, okay day. You can subscribe to us at Facebook at Simon Trains. You can subscribe to us at Twitter at Simon Paul's British Railway Journeys and Simon Trains. No, I don't have a Twitter for Simon Paul's British Railway Journeys. You know what I mean? You know where I am now anyway. If you'd like to look at my videos, I'll get in and force you onto a bus with him. And well, I've got to say something. It's alright, just give me evils over there, but I'm not going to show you.
Fine, I won't hear 57301's on the move.
Apparently it said 57301's on the move. Oh well, I can get that any time. And that's it.
57303.
And that's it. I'm going to end it now. Have a good Christmas. Have a happy New Year. And I'm going to talk to you about Ronnie's 57s, of course.